Guys, this is Jim Wood having trouble with the best spinner. Also having trouble with Snagit. It's for some reason it takes a while before there's any hope of the white screen from Snagit going to what I was visualizing, which is the best spinner. It may have something to do with limited RAM. It's $400 computer, so I don't know. A12 7th generation Lenovo. So we have, okay, now I can visualize what's going on here. When I go to, I placed all the data here, which is, you have the rank, the city, state, the keyword, and they're exactly, go to the bottom, 995 cells. So what I do, go to merge data with article, 995, keeps it something known as article. And yes, I do want to spin, of course, for the nth synonym from each spin block, generate articles. Now, this can take a long time. That's the problem. Now, you do see the swirling blue circle. Half the time it does that, half the time it doesn't. It's always a different response no matter what I do. And of course, we still have the problem where it screws up the alphanumerics into a bunch of garbage when you try to save and then reload an image. All you can do is copy paste from a text file, a notebook text file, when you first create over here your article. So you can see right here, this is new article versus the two that got screwed up. Sometimes even when I copy paste, I will get non-alphanumerics, or essentially just a bunch of gibberish. When you have 995 files and you have, because this was it took me about 2 hours to basically come up with enough spin text to where the high, when you compare 10 files to the other 10 files, the high was 98%, the low was like 34%, which is really good, really unique. And of course, it becomes more unique because of data merge, where you're not only looking at city, state, rank, but also keyword changes. About almost 1,000 different values. So, definition of insanity, doing the same thing over and over again. Okay, this is what happens every time. This is the problem. Unhandled exception has occurred in your application. If you click continue, the application will ignore this error and attempt to continue. If you click quit, the application will close immediately. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. And then you have some code here that might be of some value, I don't know. So the logical thing to do is just say continue. So my guess is it was just simply taking too much time. I don't know. But there is something very wrong with the software. No longer have the swirling circles, so there may be, like I say, an issue with that. You can check, because it never did ask me for the place where I want to store the zip file. So you go to, see, it says documents, and usually it defaults to documents and investor commune. And you see nothing new. Like these are the old zip files, which, as you can see here, these were two that I created, and see, they're empty because it's only 1 kilobyte. It just creates empty zip folders, which is not very useful. So again, this is an example of one of many cases where it fails and used to create at least a zip folder. Now it just bombs out, doesn't do anything. And in a nutshell, this is just one of many examples. I could do other videos as to why it's not working. I'm paying $27 a month as opposed to what I used to pay $37 a month. John Legger did say that because of the non-alphanumerics, there probably is an issue where you have no other choice but to put everything in the cloud as opposed to desktop software. And that would probably apply to this issue here if it does apply to other people that have the same problem. So try to keep this video short and do more videos to show you why I'm having trouble. Thank you.